If you're paying six figures in taxes each and every year, this is going to change the way that you see the IRS forever. I've been in the tax world for over 2 decades. I started in the United States Marine Corps back in 1997. That's where I learned discipline, precision, and how to handle big responsibilities with zero room for error. From there, I earned my bachelor's in accounting from the University of Miami, my master's degree in taxation from Florida International University. I became an enrolled agent, a fellow of the National Tax Practice Institute, and a certified tax coach. But credentials, that's just part of the picture. What matters most is the results that I deliver for my clients. For years, I was doing what every other CPA and tax pro was doing, traditional tax prep. I was looking backwards, telling clients what had already happened, instead of helping them control what happens next. And as my clients became more successful and their tax bills began to grow, I realized that there had to be a better way. A way for them to stop overpaying the IRS and legally and ethically keep more of what they earn, so that they could re-inject those savings back into their business for growth. The turning point for me came in 2017 with the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. It opened the floodgates for proactive tax planning. There were new deductions, new way to structure entities, and massive opportunities for high-income business owners and real estate professionals to save more than ever. While most tax pros were scrambling just to understand the changes, I dove in headfirst. I studied every line of that law. I built strategies that my clients could implement immediately, and that's when my business and my client savings really took off. One of my first big wins after that was a luxury realtor who was handing over a fortune to the IRS each and every year. I dug into his numbers, I looked at his entity structure, his deductions, his income streams, and I found over $100,000 in tax savings. These weren't loopholes. They were perfectly legal strategies that no one had ever implemented for him. When we finished, he told me, "I feel like I just got a raise without selling a single extra property." That was the moment that I knew that proactive tax planning was the only way forward. Today, I work exclusively with high-income business owners and real estate professionals who are done writing massive checks to the IRS. Our average client saves nearly $90,000 a year in taxes, and our highest tax plan savings last year was over $613,000. We create personalized, proactive tax plans that slash your tax bill, and they put that money right back in your hands so that you can reinvest it for growth, wealth, or simply have more freedom. On our upcoming call, you're going to see exactly how this process works and how much you could be saving each and every year. Come ready to share your goals, your numbers, and your vision for the future, because we're going to map out a plan to get you there. And remember, every dollar that we save you is a dollar that you can put back to work for you instead of giving it back to the IRS.